Fatima. It's Sister Bergeson. Let me see if I can get myself in the picture right here. Whoop, here I am. Hi. I wanted to give you some audio and visual feedback from me. Just because you made something a little bit different for your assignment this time, so I thought I would do my feedback a little bit different. Anyway, you did a fabulous job on your PowerPoint presentation, and I just wanted to go through a few things with you about what some of my favorite parts of it were. Sorry, that's my microwave with my dinner inside that I'm going to eat when I'm done. I found it interesting that you talk about moving from where you lived to be part of moving to another city to be in charge of a new store. That's a big responsibility. And I don't think you're very old. At least you don't look very old from your picture. So that tells me a lot about you, that you're a hard worker, because someone who isn't a hard worker does not get put in charge of a new store. So, and I didn't love it, but I just thought that was interesting, which made me get nervous almost instantly, because it's really hard to go to a new place. And sometimes it's a new culture, sometimes it's just, there's lots of things that are new. And I love that you prayed about your experience. And one of the neatest parts for me is the blessing that you talk about by completing your work. And who knew that going to accept that job in a different city would introduce you to the gospel? That was amazing. And that's probably the greatest blessing that you can receive from the hard work that you did at that job. I loved what you said here when you talked about the blessings of your, you said, let me start over. I like what you said here. I started to see the blessings of my work, of taking good decisions, which, remember, we say making good decisions, of asking for the help from God, of being responsible and using my talents. And then you said, now I'm starting my own family, and you got sealed in the temple to your husband. And this is my favorite part of the whole entire PowerPoint. I will never forget that experience. I keep it deep inside my heart. That is a sacred truth and a sacred experience for you. Oh, and one thing really quickly while I am thinking about it. Don't forget, when you type when you write the word I, when it's all by itself, it always needs to be a capital letter. Okay. Anyway, I just wanted to congratulate you on a job well done. You did fabulous, 100%. Keep up the good work. I love you. I think you are amazing. And I look forward to reading more of your work and hearing more of your testimony. Thanks, Fatima. I love you.